So just like we did with the shuffle time steps, and you learned the triple shuffle time step, we're now going to work on the triple stomp time step. It's basically the same thing as it was with the shuffle, except now we're starting with the stomp. So you're doing your stomp, hop, shuffle, step, step. Then the left foot goes stomp, hop, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, step. Putting it together, it's going to be stomp, hop, shuffle, step, step, stomp, hop, shuffle, 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 step. Okay, let's go through that again. So you have 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and a 2 and a 3 and 4, 5 and a 6 and a 7, 8, 1 and a 2 and a 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and as I said, you can do this with a paddle or a stomple. So let's kind of walk through it with the paddle in case you want to try that. So you would do big brush, hop, shuffle, step, big brush, hop, shuffle, step, big brush, hop, shuffle, step, big brush, hop, shuffle, step. 8 and 1 and a 2 and a 3 and 4 and 5 and a 6 and a 7. You could also do it with a stomple. So that would be stomple, hop, shuffle, step, stomple, hop, shuffle, step, stomple, hop, shuffle, step, stomple, hop, shuffle, step, stomple, hop, shuffle, step. 5, 6, 7, stomp, hop, shuffle, step,